Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix your microphone not working in OBS Studio. So if this video helps you, please like, subscribe, it really supports the channel. And comment if you understand something. So there are three ways. The first one is just clicking on the, going to settings here, click on it, then click on audio, and then go down to find your microphone and select the microphone that you want to use. Not sometimes with default it doesn't work, so yeah, and then you can go down and just change it, copy the settings as you sample it, also copy them, and if you want you can reset everything, click apply, and then what you do is on general also copy everything. Okay, the second step is just to click on these three dots and then click on advanced audio properties and make sure your mic is at 0. And yeah, and the last way to do it, just reconnect your mic. And also you can go is just click on Windows X and then click on Device Manager here, and then click on Audio Inputs and Outputs here, and then here's my microphone. Right click on it and then click on Update Driver, and then click on Search automatically for drivers, and then the best drivers for devices are already inserted, and for you it probably will update. And then I recommend just click on Windows and restart here, and then should fix it. If none of this works, you might need to buy a new mic just like me. And I have another tutorial on how to make your mic quality sound the best.